All right, so just what are your basic thoughts on schools being closed because of COVID-19?
I think it's better for them, for our children's safety, and they take their children's safety to concern, and it's better off they're closed.
How has remote learning affected your child specifically?
His friends and his teacher.
He
He
misses
misses the
them.
interaction with a lot of with the kids.
Did you receive any help from your child's teacher or school?
Yeah, they actually are providing like extra food for like kids on with reduced lunches, and then they also, if you didn't have a laptop or a computer, they offered you to borrow one from them.
So, have you been able to access everything that you needed to help your child learn remotely?
Yes.
And could your child's school have done anything differently to help you with remote learning?
Oh, no, I think Three Rivers has actually done very good with trying to help and have the best for the children.
What are you worried about concerning schools being canceled?
Just not the interaction with the other kids, and then learning from the different teachers, and actually the patients having to sit down, and with them being in kindergarten, he's going back to running around and playing, and it was just basically the scheduling too. That maybe is that the having a routine, basically that might be the best, is the routine and the interaction with the kids.
And what is one positive thing that you can think of regarding schools being closed?
We're actually learning how to work with the computer more. We actually did our Zoom meeting, where we've done a Zoom meeting with the teacher, with the class, but I'd rather him be in school much better, but.